Hello friends, today I will show you 2 ways to apply tea dregs as fertilizer. It turns out to be very easy and can be directly applied at home. Method 1. Bury tea dregs around plants. Why is tea dregs so useful? Because the tea dregs contain nitrogen and other nutrients. The content of nitrogen and nutrients can loosen the soil and make ornamental plants grow fast. In addition, there are many other benefits that can be obtained, including 1. As a material for making compost fertilizer. 2. Repel plant pests. 3. Fertilize plants. 4. Repel mushrooms. Method 2. Sprinkle tea dregs around the plant. Keep up with the latest videos from us. Subscribe and share. Happy gardening!